Weekends are for relaxing, not for sweating over a loud, gas-guzzling lawnmower. Imagine a perfectly manicured lawn every single week without you ever lifting a finger. That's not a dream, it's the reality of robot lawnmowers. And today, we're counting down the top 5 models that will automate your yard work for good. We're talking insane slope climbing, AI obstacle avoidance, and wire-free setup. Kicking off with number 1. The LUBA 2 AWD 5000HX robot lawnmower from Motion. This beast is a game changer for anyone with challenging yards up to 1.48 acres, powered by a battery that lets it conquer rough terrain without breaking a sweat. Its all-wheel drive system with a powerful 165-watt 4-wheel motor tackles 80% slopes, think 38 degrees of steepness, and powers through potholes, tall grass, or uneven ground like a rugged off-roader. The UltraSense AI vision pairs with RTK navigation for precise mapping even under trees where satellite signals fade, delivering zero-distance edge cutting along pathways, flower beds, and fences. You'll love the dual-blade disc with a 15.7-inch cutting width for clean, efficient mows, adjustable from 2.2 to 4 inches high. Manage up to 50 zones via the Motion app using 4G, Bluetooth, or Wi-Fi. Set patterns like parallel, checkerboard, or diamond grid, and even create 3D lawn art. Anti-theft GPS tracking and notifications keep it secure, while intelligent obstacle avoidance recognizes over 200 objects, dodging pets or toys seamlessly. Why do you need this? It frees you from manual labor, ensuring a pristine lawn that boosts your home's curb appeal and gives you more family time. Portability shines with its 41-pound build, easy to move if needed, and automatic recharging resumes exactly where it left off. On the flip side, in extremely dense or wet grass, it might leave minor clumping or furrows if not scheduled frequently, but users rave about its quiet 60 dB operation and long-term reliability after months of use. Overall, this mower's smart features make it ideal for larger, hilly properties, transforming yard maintenance into a hands-off joy. Moving on to number 2, the eufy E15 robot lawnmower, a sleek gray powerhouse perfect for compact yards up to 0.2 acres. Battery-powered and weighing just 28 pounds, it's incredibly portable, lifted effortlessly for storage or spot cleaning. Its Pure Vision FSD technology uses high-precision cameras and algorithms for wire-free navigation. No RTK station required, making setup a breeze without digging trenches. Auto mapping with precise positioning plans efficient paths, viewable on your smartphone app, while subscribing to 4G ensures stable connectivity even in Wi-Fi dead zones. The 8-inch cutting width adjusts from 1 to 3 inches, delivering uniform parallel cuts on flat lawns with grass under 3.5 inches, ideal for fine-bladed varieties like buffalo. AI-driven 3D perception avoids obstacles flawlessly in complex gardens, halting for pets, furniture, or toys, and it auto-recalls during rain or low light for safety. Why grab this? It maintains your lawn like a pro, saving hours weekly so you can focus on barbecues or hobbies, all while being near silent for neighborhood peace. Connectivity via app lets you schedule, monitor, and control zones easily, with GPS anti-theft adding security. Reviews highlight its lightweight design for easy blade cleaning and consistent results as a maintainer between major cuts. However, it's not suited for steep slopes over 18 degrees or dense grasses like St. Augustine or Zoysia, where it might miss patches or take up to 4 days for full coverage on speedier settings. Still, for small flat yards, this bot's smart, hands-free operation make it a must-have for effortless beauty.
Next up, number 3, the Sunseeker X3 wireless robot lawnmower, a gray dynamo handling up to 0.75 acres with battery power and a compact 30.5-pound frame for easy portability. Its all-wheel drive system and floating dual-blade design, spanning 14 inches, deliver exceptional traction and precise cuts through dense grass, conquering 70% slopes and rough terrain without lawn damage. RTK GNSS tech enables wire-free boundary setup with AI vision for obstacle avoidance, dodging toys or furniture intelligently. Customize via the intuitive app. Adjust heights from 1 to 4 inches, plan paths, manage multiple zones, and get real-time status updates. Night mode runs whisper quiet at under 60 decibels, perfect for after-dark mowing without disturbing anyone. Auto recharge and rain detection send it home safely, while its waterproof, washable build simplifies maintenance. Why do you need it? This mower turns lawn care into a set-it-and-forget-it affair, freeing your schedule for what matters, with OTA upgrades keeping it future-proof. Users love its stability over tree roots and uneven spots, plus dual blades for a manicured look. On the downside, the app has a learning curve with occasional glitches, requiring patience during initial setup, but once mastered, it shines. For medium-sized properties, this reliable bot's efficiency and smart features make yard perfection achievable without sweat. Now, number 4, the ECOVACS GOAT A3000 LiDAR Robot Lawnmower, a high-tech white wonder for up to 0.75 acres, battery-powered at 56.9 pounds, with sturdy portability via built-in handles. Dual LiDAR navigation with 360-degree sensors and front TOF tech provides wire-free, ultra-precise mapping and real-time obstacle avoidance, even under trees or near buildings. No GPS hassles. Its dual blades cover a 13-inch width at speeds up to 0.7 meters per second, mowing 400 square meters per hour with adjustable heights to 3.54 inches. AIV 3D technology detects over 200 objects with fisheye camera precision, stopping ultra-close for safety around pets or garden items. True Edge Tech mows within 5 centimeters of edges, distinguishing grass from non-grass on uneven terrain for a pro finish without manual trimming. Fast 45-minute charging on a 5Ah battery minimizes downtime, covering 0.12 acres in 2 hours total. App Control manages schedules, zones, and intelligent paths, boosting efficiency by 30%. Why invest? It liberates you from chores, delivering flawless lawns that enhance your outdoor space for relaxation. Reviews praise its quick performance, quiet operation, and thorough coverage. That said, its heftier price and occasional software quirks mean it's best for those valuing premium tech, though it excels in reliability once set. For large gardens, this bot's advanced AI makes maintenance seamless and satisfying. Finally, number 5, the Sunseeker X3 Plus Robot Lawnmower, a silver gray gem for small to medium yards, up to 0.3 acres, battery-powered at under 20 pounds for ultimate portability. Grab and go. No boundary wires needed. Dual AI vision and RTK navigation map precisely, avoiding obstacles like pets or toys before impact. Its 8-inch cutting width adjusts from 1.6 to 3.2 inches, handling 30% slopes with ease on bumps and curves, mimicking human mowing but tirelessly. Whisper quiet at 55 decibels, it runs anytime without noise complaints, with smart multi-zone coverage ensuring no dead spots and cleaner edges. App Control offers patterned mowing, speed adjustments, and 90-minute charging for quick returns. Waterproof IPX5 rating and 3-year warranty add peace of mind. Why do you need this? This mower simplifies life for homeowners with modest lawns, keeping grass pristine so you enjoy your yard more. Users applaud its easy drop mat mow setup and professional results, with early glitches resolved via updates. However, for very steep or oversized areas, it might require more frequent sessions, and the price reflects its advanced tech. Ideal for hassle-free, efficient care in compact spaces. In final thoughts, these top 5 robot lawnmowers blend innovation and convenience to banish manual mowing forever. From the LUBA slope mastering power to the X3 Plus's whisper quiet simplicity, each shines in saving time, reducing effort, and elevating your lawn's luck. Consider your yard's size, terrain, and needs, whether hilly acres or flat patches, and dive in with one of these. They're not just tools, they're lifestyle upgrades for greener, easier living. Grab yours via the affiliate links below and transform your routine today.